beginning of the entire process. This is where we would load the bins into our bin tipper. The tipper then will slowly dump the bins onto the conveyor, which will then carry the paper up and dump it into the hopper for the shredder. From there, the shredded paper is then dumped onto a secondary conveyor, which will carry the shredded paper into our pit. From the pit, paper goes up a third conveyor and into the baler. At which point the paper is baled into roughly 5-foot long bales for shipping off to various recyclers.